Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. Time for another coaster ride. This time we're going on Prowler at Worlds of Fun in Kansas City, Missouri. It's a wooden coaster. We rode it last night for our first ride. We had a great ride. We'll bring you on board for this ride. So we'll see you when we get on the coaster. A little bit of a cue. Okay.
Coming around and booking a Prowler. This time, please step carefully into your car. Passenger restraints to clean levers and seatbelts must be positioned fastened and tied properly. For your safety, keep all hands on legs and feet set part on the entire ride. While riding, secure all the survived items as well as fun cannot be held responsible for their loss or damage.
Should we wait for it or they come around?
Tucking my toes under. You mean, do they lower it down? I think they lower it.
This time, push by your lever to confirm that it is locked. Anyone having difficulty in their restriction as I ride faster this time. For your safety, we have to remain seated in an upright position, keeping both feet flat on the floor. Keep all parts of your body inside the train at all times. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Enjoy your ride on the Prowler. JC. JC.
I don't think I have a choice.
Okay, I'm in.
Ooh, there we go.
Are you in, Becky?
I mean,
Yeah, it's like crushing my...
So we're third from the back. It's pretty busy at the park right now, so they're just telling you to take the open lane. So we'll see how this goes, you know. Thumbs up, everyone. Oh boy, are you comfy?
Not really.
This is going to be a rocker and a roller. I got a feeling back here. Oh boy.
My lap bar is really good.
You can kind of feel it like dancing on the track.
Look at how this goes up.
Yeah, as long as it's locked. Oh yeah, I got like 2 inches of play. I got my toes tucked underneath the front. I'm just gonna hold myself in with the feet if worst case scenario. Okay. Oh man! Woo! Oh, where the restraints come down, it's like right in the stomach.
Yeah.
And this is like, it was a total different ride in the front the last time.
My head hurts after this though.
This thing was a rattler, and you couldn't go anywhere.
My head hurts.
You know, you're just in for the ride.
Yeah.
But honestly, it was really fun. I had a great run. She was a rough going this seat. I don't know what this is. Row 7 or 8. Woo!
There's my belt.
Oh boy.
Vincent, can you cross over to load?
Okay.
You're taking unload 1. Hey, Ed, you have to say something.
All right, just coming off of Prowler. I gotta say, that thing just flies and flies around the track. It's really kind of loud going up the lift hill right there, but man, it just moves for a wooden coaster. It just really gets you going. It gets the heart rate going. In that seat we were in, I mean, I described it as a head rattler. It was just you feel like your brain's got a little bit scrambled.
I can feel it.
Yeah, you can feel it. So sit in the front if you can. We didn't have a choice on this ride. We had a walk-on last night. We got here, and in the very front at night, I would say is probably the way to ride that for a smooth ride.
Yeah.
If you like the rough coaster thing, just go ahead. and jump right on that in the back row, and it'll just shake you to pieces. That's the next train coming off right there behind us. So they're moving them through quick. But all in all, I gotta say it's a great coaster and a great ride. So thanks for sticking with us. Hit the subscribe button for us if you can, and we'll see you all soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.